XL, pa-oversize. XL for only 60 pesos. Mayan. May malamig. May malamig. XL, madam, for only 60. May malamig. XL, madam, for only 60. May malamig. XL. Next, madam.
Mayan, malamig. Down this one, XL. Down this one, XL. XL, madam, for 60 pesos. Mayan, lalaki. Mayan, lalaki, madam. XL for 60 pesos. Mayan, lalaki. For only 60 pesos. Next, madam.
Mayan, lalaki. Next, madam. So, madam, last 5 na po tayo, madam. But before po tayo mag-proceed sa ating last 5 po, madam, ulitin muna natin yung mechanics natin, madam, how for you to be guided po, madam. So, madam, we will continue our live, madam, this afternoon, 2 to 5 p.m. gihapon, madam. Another new open bundle gihapon sa ating knitted tops, madam. Nothing above 60 pesos, madam. So, madam, location po natin, madam, Talisay and Cebu City. Meron po tayong deliveries, madam, from Mondays to Saturdays. Alas 8 po, madam, sa morning, ang atuang cut-off, madam. And, madam, strictly mine now, delivered ta tomorrow for Cebu area, madam. So, if kundi po mulahan magpa-deliver tomorrow, madam, kindly fully pay lang po muna yung items ni po, madam. And hatagi mi sa inyong preferred na schedule kung kano sa mulahan magpa-deliver sa inyong items, madam. O kung tiga Talisay area po kayo, madam, pin from Gentle P Subdivision. If kung taga Cebu City area po kayo, madam, pin from UV Colon to your address. Maximum rate po tayo, madam, para makaless mo sa delivery fee, madam. Shipping po natin, madam, for outside Cebu miners. Every day po, madam, except Sundays through JMT door-to-door. And, madam, no cancellations po tayo, madam, every afterlife, madam. So, madam, para sa mga nag-my this morning, makaka-receive po kayo ng invoice, madam, after this live. Pa-wait na lang po, madam, and payments or balances must be settled po, madam, within 24 hours po, madam. Malamig ako, ate. Madam Jonaline Saure, yours na si Malamig. Please ka screenshot, Madam Jonaline. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down this one, daw ba? Kung iso, 30 lang niya siya, daw. Meron siyang minor dumi. Ayan, daw. Sa likod, pero parang washable. Down 30 pesos, madam. Take it or leave it for only 30 pesos. Mine washable. Mine washable for only 30 pesos. Mine washable for only 30 pesos, madam. Mine washable. Mine washable. Next, madam.
Mayan, washable. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine tuldok. Mine tuldok, madam. Medium for 60 pesos. Mayan tuldok for only 60 pesos. Next, madam.
Mine tuldok, madam. Riza Bihag, yours na si washable. Please ka screenshot, madam Riza. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 30 pesos. Second minor, Madam May Murado. Daw, branded by Zara ako ang gisuot. Cardinally sorry na, no? Daw, branded by Zara ni siya, madam. Up to Sammy Madsen Medium. Sammy Madsen Medium, branded by Zara. Mayan, Q. Mine Q. Mine Q, madam. Sammy Madsen Medium, for 60 pa ikaw. Mine Q, Sammy Madsen Medium, 60. Mine Q. Ang lasa, goro niyo? Madam Annalyn Kalunsag, dam saan doon si Butter and si Butter Morboto, no? Madam Emily Kalunsag, laan niyo saan yun si Tuldok?
Q. Sinay Q.
Ako si Q.